Karibu.
Lep la wa ni jangu tulie mele.
Lihat bunyi boy.
Wow.
Yes, what we are going to do here right now, or what I'm going to show you, is traditionally known as Labuk in Acholi language. I don't know in English, maybe we can say cooking sweet potatoes using a burial method, some kind of roasting. To start it off with, the things that you need is a lump of soil, and hoe. We're helping you to cook the sweet potatoes from underground, the sweet potatoes itself, firewood, and also the fire starters like matchbox, and maybe need some good music like the one playing in the background. Labuk has been one of the quickest ways the boys and the youth of Acholi used to hurry cook food in case the girls are delaying in the kitchen. They could go get the sweet potatoes and they make them. They sit together and they enjoy it. So let's go. Cave-like structure like this. Cave-like structure with exactly.
Kama tulia
So the next step is to use the hand hoe and you dig the sweet potatoes from the heap. Look at these sweet potatoes.
Beautiful scenery, lakes and rivers, islands and mountains, cultures and people. Beautiful scenery.
The process is you put the firewood, of which in form today we are going to use this material remains from the Shogam garden. Set the light. So the flame is now coming. The wind is disturbing a little bit.
I'm so UG. I'm so Ugandan. Everywhere I go, I'm so UG. I'm so Ugandan. Everywhere I go, I'm so UG. I'm so
Here we go.
everywhere I go, I'm so UG. I'm so Ugandan.
That is it, guys. She's burning. So in the process, you keep on adding the remain of the sorghum to the flame. So this will burn until the lamp of soil here turns red, implying that it is hot and ready to cook the sweet potatoes.
He's now throwing sweet potatoes inside.
Exactly. At this point of time, the lamp of the soil is now hot and ready to cook the potatoes. So you throw them inside that gravy kind of hole that looks like a cave. So you can see the potatoes are lying inside, waiting to be roasted, and some have already started getting roasted. So we go layer by layer to avoid this, what has just happened. A slice on the potatoes. This one is the potatoes. See? Ha. Classic. It's ready. Dope. Oh yeah, man. Yellow like
This is what is called now.
exactly. That's the thing, man.
There's so many. And also join us.
So once they are ready, the sizes of the potatoes reduces. This is because the cooking process is done minus water. Therefore, it shrinks. The shrinking is caused by an obvious science. You all know the loss of water or the evaporation from the tubers of the sweet potatoes. So some of you guys out there may think that this thing is dirty or what. No, it is not dirty. This is soil, and soil is not dirty. More so, it is just from fire. It has been hot, so whatever type of germ has died, whatever type of dirt has died. So you only clean it without water by removing the peels. This covering here. Remove the peels like this, then you enjoy your sweet potatoes.
Potatoes is very nice, my dear. Welcome.
How does it taste?
Very cheap. Better than Irish.
So guys, that's all about Goana book. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye. So nice, man. This is what is called layata book, the sweet potatoes.